Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing something a little different, but super exciting. I've got my hands on the iClever BTH20 Kids noise cancelling headphones, as you can see here. Now these aren't just any headphones, they're designed specifically for kids. And as an uncle to some very active little ones, I want to put these to test with my nieces and nephews. So spoiler alert, they were absolutely thrilled and so was I. So in this video, we're going to unbox these, talk through the setup, dive into sound quality, check out the noise cancelling features, and of course, see if they can survive a few accidental drops and kid level durability tests. And you know what? My nieces and nephews, normally headphones don't last long. So let's jump right in. All right, let's start with the unboxing. iClever's done a great job making the packaging fun and colorful. Perfect for kids. You could tell right away they know their audience. Now as you open up, right on top we have the headphones in this bold green and blue combo. There's also a pink and hot pink option for those who want something a little flashier or maybe more for the girls. Both colors look fantastic, but I knew the blue-green would be a hit with my nephews. Next up, we've got some really kid-friendly extras in here. The Type-C charging cable for quick charging, a 3.5mm audio cable in case you want to plug these into a device directly. However, of course, the manual, which let's be honest, most kids will probably ignore, so let's set it up for them. So first impressions of the design. So as you can see, the headphones are just there. Looking at them just there. So these things are built tough. Now you can tell straight away. So iClever say they're made from BPA and PVC free materials. So they're safe, but also incredibly durable. And feeling it, I can see there's lots of flexibility. But I'm bending them, twisting them, and there's no cracking, there's no strain. You can feel it straight away. As a parent or relative, this kind of thing is a kind of thing that brings peace of mind. You don't have to worry about them snapping if your kids throw them into their bag, or let's say they have a fight with each other and try and rip them apart. It's going to be very, very hard, which is exactly what's happened with my nephews, bless them. And speaking of comfort, so I'm going to put them on my head. These actually do feel amazing. Now, I'm not a kid, mind you, but I do test a lot of headphones. So they've got this soft skin-like texture that's perfect for sensitive young ears. iClever's really thought about this here. You can tell headband has 10 different settings. So it can fit children from about age 3 all the way up to the early teens. Trying them on myself, as you can see, they feel surprisingly comfortable on an adult's head. I love the cushioning there and the cushioning there. And they also fit into my ears. And they also have a very, very good seal as well on there. See guys, as you can see, they're just there. Very light as well, so they won't be heavy for kids' heads. Looking at the controls, so on one ear cup, we've got all the controls. So bottom up for volume, one for volume down, and the power button in the middle just there. There's also an A and C button as well to put on low, high, and off. The buttons are large and easy to press, even for little fingers. This is actually one of my favorite parts to see in action. When I showed my nieces and nephews how to use the buttons, they picked it up instantly, and within minutes, they were switching between modes and adjusting volume. And I guess the key thing is they love being on their iPads, don't they? So they got a lot out of these. I also can't show my nieces and nephews in the video, obviously, because they're children and because of parental consent, but you know, I'm passing on their feedback for them. They really do love them. So using these headphones outside, they sound really good. You can see the good sound quality. You can't hear anything in the background, and they've got great quality. So kids love using these outside. And the great thing is, if you drop them, they won't get impacted. Because look, I'll use an example now. I'm going to drop them. And see, I wasn't worried at all then about dropping them. So very, very durable. So pairing the device with the BTH20 is super simple. The headphones have Bluetooth 5.4, which means they not only connect quickly, they also have a strong, stable connection. So I tested these with my phone and tablet, and they connected seamlessly. I showed my nephew how to do it once, and how they could pair it up with their tablet or on their own. They did it easily. And the voice prompts help guide them through the process, which is nice. So sometimes kids need that little bit of extra help. Being guided how to do it is a lot better for them as well. So yeah, great headphones. Just gonna go back to that strap. See how they've got the different things on there? So the kids can remember what part of it they had as well. Very, very nice. Now, a big thing about this is sound quality. Now, for a pair of kids' headphones, I was honestly impressed. Would you believe these have 40mm drivers? 40mm in kids' headphones. So I tested these out myself with a few different genres. Some pop, a bit of classical, and even a little jazz. The headphones did a great job of balancing bass, mids, and highs. So either kids are listening to their favorite pop tunes, watching cartoons, an educational audiobook, or playing Minecraft, it all sounds fantastic. I even put on some Fleetwood Mac music as well to see how it handled complex layers and different vocals. The bass is warm and full without being overpowering, and there was enough clarity in the highs that you could hear the guitar strumming with nice detail. For kids, this is more than enough quality for a fun listening experience. And I'd say they're up there with a lot of expensive headphones I've actually reviewed. So, great job, iClever, for having such a good looking pair and good sounding pair of headphones. Now, I'm going to play a bit of a sound test now so you guys can hear it, so you can see what it sounds like, and let me know what you think. Oh, sorry. One of the coolest features is the noise cancelling. The BTH20 has 2 levels of ANC, low and high. The low mode is great for everyday use, like when kids are at home, in the car, and it softens background noise without putting pressure on their ears. So we tried the high ANC mode on, and it really kicked things up a notch. I tested this while they were watching cartoons on a road trip, and even with the car engine running, they couldn't hear much of it at all. It's ideal for travel or loud environments. And also if you're on a plane, for example, with kids, I know they get a lot distracted when on a plane. It's good to be able to have these headphones to block out the noise. So as you can see, I'm testing out the noise cancelling here on a busy road, and they sound really good. I can't hear the traffic around me. The noise cancelling is very, very good, even at the different levels. It's really good. So as I said, you press that button there to change the noise cancelling level as well. Press again to go from high to low to no noise cancelling at all. I see the big smile on my face there. Literally the sounds good. I'm bopping away. So this is great for kids on planes, in cars, really good. So I gave these to my nieces and nephews, and let me tell you, what was the feedback? Well guys, they're having the time of their life. Firstly, they loved the design, they loved the color, they thought it was great. Secondly, they liked how comfortable it was. They could just put it on their heads, listen to educational games, and during homework, it was quite hard to actually get it off them. The great thing as well is the volume at these is capped at 80 decibels. Now, I never gave my family members headphones previously because I was worried they could put the sound up too loud. This is going to stop them from accidentally damaging their hearing. I did see my nephews and nieces actually have headphones up, really loud ones, and had to take it off them. So that's very, very important. So, when kids are using headphones, we can't damage their hearing when they're younger. Going back to durability. So these headphones, as I said, are designed to take a beating. So one of my nephews put these through a stress test. I couldn't have planned better. They threw them on the couch, dropped them on the floor, and even twisted the ear cups while pretending they were robot arms. And guess what? Not a single crack or scratch. These are built to last. And normally I'd be like, no, don't do that. But this time I was like, you know what, mate? Knock your heart out. Yeah, lucky I could do it though, because I hadn't thought if they break, I wouldn't be able to do the review. Anyway, it worked. Another big plus is the battery life. With ANC off, these can get up to 60 hours, and with ANC on, you're still looking at about 35 hours. That's more than enough for a full week's of use without needing a charge. If you do need a boost, a quick 10-minute charge can give you an extra 5 hours, guys. So it comes in really handy when we're about to go out for a long drive, or say we want to go for a airplane trip. So what do I think? Overall, the iClever BTH20 Kids noise cancelling headphones have really impressed me. They're safe, comfortable, durable, and sound great. Most importantly, they're designed with kids in mind. From volume limits to soft materials and sturdy build. My nieces and nephews absolutely love them, and it was hard to actually pull these back off them. And as an uncle, I can't recommend these enough. If you're looking for a reliable pair of headphones for your kids that won't break the bank, these are definitely worth checking out. And you can see why iClever has won a number of different awards with these headphones. And hey, iClever is running a special promotion where you can experience these for free as part of their volunteer program. So this is a great time to grab a pair for little ones. Be sure to check out the link in the description if you want to snag these. And if you found this link review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future reviews. Thanks for watching, guys, and see you next one. Andy at Mr. Yoo-Hoo!